Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
In this way, several matters are not added. The report is against the students, against the parents, and we request the DOE, we make an appeal to the Chief Minister to please intervene as the Education Minister and please sort out this issue. This is going to be very bad for the state of Goa, the parents and everyone. She has attended a meeting not knowing she is representing Aguspa.
We completely object to her being there on that committee, and they have hardly 3 or 4 meetings. They don't take the previous report on record. They discuss whatever issues they want, and they submit a report which is gladly accepted by the government and submitted to court as if it is an official report. We cannot accept this report, and that report has to be squashed. And a new committee has to be constituted with members of Aguspa on the committee, and a fresh report should be submitted.
And the parents, very bad.
And the DOE is supposed to be a regulator of private unaided schools, but it is not doing its responsibility as a responsible regulator. Instead, we have to go to court, and despite going to court, we face such conspiracies of misrepresentation, and that's why we are here today to battle this out. We are all working parents, but we have to battle this out. This DOE is not doing its own job. Because of this petition and to have a member of Aguspa on this committee, they have totally defeated the purpose of this committee by ensuring that that very member for which the petition was placed in the court, that very member which was to be appointed from Aguspa is misrepresented.
And they then communicated to us, they communicated through the parents that, that my designation is absolutely wrong. And what I imagined was that any VP of a school is automatically becomes a member of the parent body. So this was my misunderstanding and nobody clarified it. Okay. So when this came to me, I immediately started checking. I checked all the documents and everything. And then I found out lot of things that were not right. So there was possible manipulation to basically, because this case is a very old case, so 2009 case. And the earlier committee had prepared a 53-page report, if I'm not mistaken, with lot of references to judgments and lot of new steps that should be taken to basically safeguard the parents from the arbitrary high fees that are charged by private schools. Okay. Now basically when I went back to all the documents, this is what I found, and I immediately wrote a letter. I wrote a letter to the director first to ask him for a justification, because I was invited on the 1st of November. When I went through the documents which were submitted to the High Court, the order that this committee is formed, correct? The order is dated 15th of November. Now how can the order be of constituting a committee be dated 15th of November when I was invited on the 21st of November? Okay, and I was not given documents until the 5th of December.